Alright, some more toys today. We have Maddox Super Automotive Tools. This is a ball joint press, the C-frame ball joint press. It's got all the different stuff in here. And then we've got the Pittsburgh Master Ball Joint Adapter Set. It has all the extra fittings in it that you could possibly ever need. We're going to go ahead and open these up. Show you what's inside. Start off with the Maddox C-frame ball joint press. Let's pop this thing open here, and then we're just going to slide it right on out. Alright, so the ball joint service kit comes in a plastic box. It's actually got some serious weight to it. The thing's heavy. Pop it open. Got your user manual thingy. It looks like everything you need to take out ball joints. But just in case, we got this guy. So I'm going to open that up. Whatever. And just open the side, slide it on out. Pittsburgh Master Ball Joint Adapter Set. Has all the extra pieces that you could possibly ever want. So, doing my brother's truck. We're getting ready to rip the ball joints out of it. So we're going to have fun with it. Decently built. Seems like I could beat it up for many years to come. I don't do this every day, so I don't need $1,000 set. I'll see if I can find these on Amazon. I'll put them in the description below. If this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. If you want to do any advertising, like if you're a tool company and you want to give me a bunch of free tools, message me. I'd be more than happy to have it.